So what's the most fundamental rule? Where do people often slip up?
It really starts with the URI strategy. This is foundational. We mentioned earlier that every entity, a person, a product, a concept gets identified by a URI. But you need a slightly sophisticated way of handling those URIs. Otherwise, machines can get confused.
Confused how?
They can confuse the entity itself with the web document that describes the entity. And that distinction is absolutely critical for machine processing.
Okay, break that down. What are the two things that need distinct URIs?
You need to ensure that any client, like a search crawler or a data tool, can clearly distinguish between, number one, the URI that identifies the real-world entity, the thing itself, like the actual physical bicycle model or the abstract concept of a chief executive officer.
The thing itself. Got it. And number two.
Number two, the URI that identifies the web document describing that entity. That could be the HTML page about the bike, a PDF spec sheet, or maybe an RDF file containing the structured facts about the CEO.
Okay, the thing versus the description of the thing. How do you make that distinction clear using URIs?
Think about it with Wikipedia. When you search for, say, Paris, you land on the Wikipedia page about Paris. That page is a document. The actual city of Paris is the entity.
Right.
In the semantic web, if a machine requests the URI for the city of Paris, the entity, it shouldn't just get back the HTML code of the Wikipedia page. That's not data. It needs to get back the structured data, the facts about Paris, ideally in RDF format.
So how do you technically set up your URIs to deliver the data when the entity URI is requested?
There are two main technical solutions recommended by the W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. Use either 303 URIs or hash URIs.
Okay, let's start with 303 URIs. What's that?
A 303 URI strategy leverages standard HTTP status codes. It works like this. You assign one URI to the entity itself, e.g. http.example.com/product widget. When a client requests that specific URI,
The one for the actual widget.
your server doesn't return the web page. Instead, it immediately sends back an HTTP status code, 303C.
303C other, like a redirect.
It's exactly like a redirect. And along with that 303 status code, the server provides a different URL. The second URL points to the document, maybe http.example.com/widget.html or widget.rdf, that contains the description or the facts about the entity.
Ah, I see. So the client asks for the thing. The server says the thing isn't here directly, but see this other document for information about the thing.
Precisely. This mechanism ensures the machine knows exactly what it's getting. If it follows the 303 redirect, it knows it's retrieving a description, hopefully RDF data, not the entity itself. This clean separation is vital for allowing your data to be pulled into knowledge graphs alongside data from other sources without semantic confusion.